Hey guys, today I'm discuss about the DPDT switch. This is a DPDT switch. DPDT stand for double pole double throw. It is also called as a mechanical switch. This is consist of six terminals, which are two independent input terminals. Okay, let me tell you wiring connection. This is a two are the independent input terminals, and this is a output. This is input and this is a output. Okay, this is always connected with battery, that is the independent terminals. Let explain you the through the diagram. Okay, firstly, see the switch, DPDT switch. This is have the six terminals, so I firstly draw the six terminals. One, two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This is two input terminals, so that's why it's connected with the battery. This is a positive pole and this is a negative pole. Okay, this is two is a output that is connected with the motor, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 is a connected with a diagonal, so that is why it's connected. This is also connected with diagonal. Okay friends, today's my question: what is the difference between this and this? Okay, who is know that, comment below the description box, which know once I am explain you next video. Okay, see, reminder friends, which know once know I am explain you next video. Thank you.